Hello, 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 and welcome to another Haitian Creole lesson. This is our fourth lesson. If this is your first time seeing our lesson, I highly recommend that you go see our lesson, our first three lessons that are right here on this channel. Uh, so let's get started with today's lesson. Today we're going to talk about Pati ko. So I've divided this lesson into two parts. So this is the first part, and we're going to talk about body parts in this lesson. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So head is tête, tête, tête. Eyebrows, sourcils, sourcils, sourcils. Eyes, yeux, yeux, yeux. Ears, oreilles, oreilles, oreilles. Nose, nez, nez, nez. Mouth, bouche, bouche, bouche. Teeth, dents, dents, dents. Neck, cou, cou, cou. Chest, l'estomac, l'estomac, l'estomac. Abdomen or stomach, ventre, ventre, ventre. Arms, bras or poignette, bras or poignette, bras, poignette. Hands, main, main, main. Fingers, douette, douette, douette. Nails, zonga, zonga, zong. Back, dos, dos. Legs, pied, pied. Again, we're gonna go over the verb tense. So these words on the screen are used to indicate the tense in which we are using the verbs. They are usually placed in front of the verb. I try to include them in all of our lessons just so you guys can review them. When I get to lesson 6, I may stop including them in the lesson and hope you guys are familiar enough with them so I won't have to go over them again. So, ap is placed in front of a verb to indicate present tense. Ap. Te is used in front of a verb to indicate past simple. Te. Teap, as we say it, or tap is what we most commonly use, is used to indicate past continuous in front of a verb. Tap, past continuous. Pral is used to indicate the future. Pral. Okay, as in our previous lessons, I have 3 new verbs for you guys in this lesson. So the first one is laver. Again, laver is to wash. Laver. Laver. Brosser is to brush. Brosser. Brosser. To brush. Brosser. Fait mal is to hurt. Fait mal. Again. Fait mal. Fait mal. In this lesson, I've decided to include 3 new adjectives for you guys, as we will use them in the practice session at the end of the lesson. So the first adjective is gros, which is big. Gros. Again. Gros. Big. Flat is plat. Plat is flat. Plat. Long is long. Long is long. Okay, now into a practice session. Okay, the first sentence, which is I am washing my hands, is moi ap la ve me moi. Again, moi ap la ve me moi. Moi ap lave me moi. Okay. The next sentence. He is going to brush his teeth. Li pral brosser dents li. Li pral brosser dents li. Li pral brosser dents li. The next sentence is, my back is hurting. Do mwen ap fe mwen mal. Do mwen ap fe mwen mal. Do mwen ap fe mwen mal. And now into including our adjectives. L'estomac li gros. His or her chest is big. Again, l'estomac li gros. L'estomac li gros. My stomach is flat. Ventre mwen plat. Again, ventre mwen plat. Ventre mwen plat. The next sentence is, their fingers are long. Douet yo long. Again, douet yo long. Douet yo long. this concludes our session today. And if there's any other body parts that you did not see in this session that you would like to include in body parts part 2, please feel free to comment and indicate which body part you would like to be included in the next lesson. And as long as they are appropriate, I will include them in the next lesson. If you have any comments or feedback, please feel free to put them in the lesson, in the comment section below. I will be more than happy to incorporate them within the next lesson. Thank you and have a great day.